How to find the best dropshipping products. Salehoo tool. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to give you an overview about salehoo.com, how it helps you to find the best dropshipping products out there, how it works, what is the pricing plan for Salehoo, and how you can find the best dropshipping products with Salehoo tool. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply come to salehoo.com and you will land on this platform right here. Salehoo is one of the very powerful research tool that helps you find the best products out there, and you can do your drop shipping and you can actually run a successful drop shipping business if you use Salehoo. So before we go into the features of Salehoo, let me show you the pricing plan real quick so you have an idea about the affordability of the platform, and you will have a better idea that how much we actually have to pay in order to get started with Salehoo. So simply, I will click on the pricing and it will open it up for me. So you can see right here, this has opened up pricing plan for me. So we have a Salehoo directory, and then we have Salehoo dropship and then educate. So if we go to Salehoo directory, you can see right here, it is $67 annually, and if I want to go for a lifetime plan, it is going to be $127. So we kind of like get access to all the Salehoo supplier directory, access to market research lab, access to members forum, personal email support, and 100% guarantee as well. So you kind of like go for a lifetime plan because it is 127. So this is like really easy for you to get. And then we have Salehoo dropship. As we're talking about the Salehoo dropshipping, so we should definitely check out this plan right here. So it has two plans. We have a basic plan, which is going to be a $27 per month, and it is a one sub-user account, automate your dropshipping store, and then we have import 500 high profit AliExpress products. And then we have a premium, which is going to be $97 monthly, and it allows three sub-user accounts, automate three dropshipping stores. So it depends on you that which plan you want to go for, because we are going for a Salehoo dropship. So we can either go with a 27 one or 97, or you can actually check out an annual plan as well. So this is going to be 270 and this is going to be 970 for a year. So if you want to go for monthly, so I would suggest that if you are just 1 to 2 people, this is ideal for 1 to 2 people and this is ideal for team. So it depends on you that which one of these you want to use. And after that, all you have to do is just click on get started. I can simply go ahead and get started with this one. Simply click right here and then it will take you to the next step for signing up. You have to create your account. What you have to do is simply add your full name, your email address, and simply create an account. I am getting all of these features in just $27. All I have to do is, just add my full name, email, and then simply click on create account. So once you will select any of these, once your account will be created, you can simply log into your Salehoo. So once you sign up for Salehoo, you will just have to kind of, finish your setup. So you have to just add your experience in selling online. So we are a beginner, right? So I'm going to just go with no experience. Then we are going with drop shipping. Where do you want to sell? So you have to select if you want to sell on eBay, Amazon, or if you're unsure or you're going to sell on your own website. Then we have, what is your niche? So I am going with clothing and fashion. And then I also have jewelry and watches, and then shoes and fashion. Perfect. So I'm gonna finish my setup. So once you add all of the information, we just simply can start with the tour. So I actually don't need it, I have already used it. Okay, perfect. So now I have Salehoo tool to help me with my drop shipping. So this is the dashboard of Salehoo that I got, and you can see right here I can search by all categories. You can go for adult products, you have a baby gear, we have cars, we have DVD, we have cameras and photos, we have home and garden, jewelry and watches. So you can go with anything. For example, if I wanted to go with clothing and fashion, I can just select this one, and after that you just have to add a word in here. For example, I can go with the dress, or I can simply go with watches, any word I want to. And you simply click on products in here, and then you will be able to find your favorite products and then all of the different products as well. So this is the basic insight of Salehoo. If I go to our products and if I take you to Salehoo dropshipping, then you will actually get an idea how you can actually automate your own store on Salehoo. So what happens here is I can simply go ahead and add my Shopify store, and I can link my Salehoo to my Shopify store to find the best products. I can actually go ahead and link it to my AliExpress. Any dropshipping service you are using, Salehoo works with that. You can actually go ahead and choose from different products. You can go with these very high quality and very cheap products out there, and the best products. Of course, what you have to do is you simply get your Salehoo. You will connect your Shopify store or your Alibaba or any other store you're using, select products to sell, and then add products to Shopify. It's so easy, right? So this is how we use it. You can select any of the products, and from Salehoo has a lot of different products and thousands of products to actually choose from, and you can just go ahead and do that. So what happens is once you have selected the products, how to select the right products? Well, make sure to go for the trending products, the products that are selling nowadays. Let's just say that sometimes some products are trending. For example, last year we can say that face masks were trending, right? And then the products that were like indoor things, they were actually trending more than the things that we wear while going out. So like comfy clothes and hoodies, they were trending because that's how it was. So you can actually go for any of these trending products. Make sure to go for a product that actually helps you get the benefit you want to. Don't go for a product that is way too expensive for you. But on Salehoo, we actually have thousands of products to choose from. We have different people, and we have different resources we can go for. So we have getting started. This is the guide. You have drop shipping, we have selling tips, product marketing, import and customs, supplier reviews, products for sale. So this is how you can actually get started with your own store on Salehoo. Salehoo will allow you to get all the best products, and you can find the best product to sell and run a successful dropshipping business. So once you have your Salehoo, you will simply connect your store. Once you have your store, start selling today, find the best products, and then you will be able to make money by sitting at home and by running a very successful and professional dropshipping business. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to sign up for Salehoo and how Salehoo helps you find the best dropshipping products out there to sell. And if this tutorial really helped you, then make sure to recommend it to others as well. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time the channel uploads a new video. I will see you in the next tutorial. Take care.